Back with us again, my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, who we love because they are just amazing realtors. And I do know that you have a fantastic home to tell us about today.
I do, and they do have, they are amazing realtors and have a lot of wonderful listings. One of which is the one I'm talking about, which is a stunning home in Scottsdale. It's been remodeled and is absolutely breathtaking. This is situated on an acre lot, and the home has 3,850 square feet of living area with a split plan.
Oh, nice.
5 bedrooms, 4 updated bathrooms, and an oversized 3-car garage. Wow. One of the bedrooms is even set up as an office and has a Murphy bed in it. That's really convenient.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. The living room has soaring vaulted beam ceilings, built-in shelving, and a wood-burning fireplace. You'll also enjoy the easy maintenance of the new wood look tile floors, tremendous Travertine and Pella windows and doors. The chef-pleasing new kitchen has everything you could possibly want, including a 6-burner gas cooktop.
Oh, wow.
Enjoy casual dining in the breakfast area or eat in bar, or for more formal occasions, they have a great dining room. The master bedroom has a 2-sided fireplace in the sitting area and a walk-in closet that will knock your socks off. The outside is terrific with mountain views, a gorgeous saltwater pool, spa, 2 fireplaces, barbecue, and the list just goes on. And your utility bills will even be low because it has solar.
Oh, that's nice.
You have to see this for yourself. All priced for $1,075,000.
That's actually a really good deal.
It is. It's a beautiful home. People need to come see it.
Absolutely. Thank you.